Cardano is a blockchain platform for smart contracts, similar to Ethereum. However, it distinguishes itself from other platforms through its unique two-layer architecture and its emphasis on a research-driven approach. Here are some key points about Cardano. Research-driven design. Cardano is built on a foundation of peer-reviewed research. Every design aspect and feature of the platform undergoes rigorous academic review before implementation. This approach is intended to ensure the robustness and security of the system. Two-layer architecture. Cardano's architecture is split into two layers. Cardano Settlement Layer, CSL. This is the balance ledger. It's a standalone blockchain that tracks transactions. Cardano Computation Layer, CCL. This is where the computational logic, like smart contracts, is processed. This separation allows for greater flexibility in design and updates. Proof of Stake. Cardano uses the Ouroboros Proof of Stake, POS, consensus algorithm, which is more energy efficient than the Proof of Work, POW, algorithms used by networks like Bitcoin. Interoperability. One of Cardano's goals is to provide interoperability with other blockchains and legacy financial systems. This is to ensure that different systems can work seamlessly together. Sustainability. Cardano aims to create a self-sustaining system by introducing a treasury system. A portion of all transaction fees will go into this treasury, which will fund future development and improvements to the platform. Token. ADA is the native cryptocurrency token of the Cardano platform. It's used for transactions and as a staking token in the network's POS consensus mechanism. Development organization. Cardano's development is overseen by three main organizations. IOHK, Input-Output Hong Kong. Responsible for building the platform. Cardano Foundation. Acts as a supervisory and educational body for the Cardano protocol. EMURGO. Focuses on driving commercial adoption and helping businesses to integrate with the Cardano blockchain. Smart contracts. Cardano's smart contract platform is named Plutus and is designed to be more secure and robust than some competitors. Native tokens. Cardano also introduced the concept of native tokens, allowing tokens to be transferred on the blockchain without needing smart contracts, reducing complexity and potential points of failure. Governance. Cardano has introduced a governance system called Project Catalyst, which allows ADA holders to vote on proposals for changes and improvements to the network. The need for Cardano, or more broadly, the reasons why it was developed and why people might choose to use or adopt it, stem from perceived limitations and challenges in the first and second generation blockchains. Cardano positions itself as a third generation blockchain, aiming to address the problems of earlier generations. Here are some reasons why Cardano was developed and why it might be considered necessary or beneficial. Scalability. One of the primary challenges of earlier blockchains, especially as they gained popularity, was scalability. Cardano, with its Ouroboros proof-of-stake consensus mechanism, aims to achieve higher transaction throughput than many existing platforms. Security. Built on a foundation of peer-reviewed academic research, Cardano's design emphasizes security and robustness. This rigorous approach aims to mitigate vulnerabilities and potential attacks. Decentralization. While decentralization is a core tenet of most blockchains, the degree and method of achieving it can vary. Cardano's staking mechanism and governance model aim to distribute power and decision-making more broadly among its users. Smart contract safety. Cardano's smart contract platform, Plutus, is designed to offer a higher degree of security and predictability than some other platforms. This can be particularly important for applications where large sums of money or critical operations are at stake. Inclusivity. One of Cardano's stated goals is to provide financial services to the unbanked or underbanked populations, offering them access to the global economy. Regulatory compliance. Rather than avoiding or resisting regulation, Cardano aims to be future-proof by being designed in a way that can accommodate regulatory requirements. This could make it more appealing for mainstream and institutional adoption. Innovation. As a third-generation blockchain, Cardano incorporates lessons learned from earlier platforms. Its approach to challenges like scalability, security, and governance could serve as a blueprint for future blockchain projects. Cardano operates based on a unique architecture and a set of principles that differentiate it from other blockchain platforms. Here's an overview of how Cardano works. Ouroboros. Cardano uses a unique POS protocol named Ouroboros to achieve consensus across the network. In this system, stake refers to the amount of ADA a user holds. The more ADA a user holds, the higher the probability they have of being selected to create a new block. Slot leaders are chosen from the pool of ADA stakeholders to validate and add new transactions to the blockchain. This approach is energy efficient compared to the proof of work (POW) mechanism used by platforms like Bitcoin. Plutus. Cardano smart contract platform is called Plutus. It offers a platform for developers to write decentralized applications, dApps, using the Haskell programming language. Plutus has a strong emphasis on security and formal verification, which means that smart contracts can be mathematically proven to work as intended, reducing the risk of bugs or vulnerabilities. Daedalus wallet. Daedalus is the official desktop wallet for ADA. It's a full node wallet, meaning it downloads the entire Cardano blockchain and independently validates every transaction. Project Catalyst and governance. Cardano has a governance system where ADA holders can propose and vote on changes or projects to be funded. This system is known as Project Catalyst. It ensures that the community has a say in the future direction and development of the platform. Research-driven approach. Cardano's development is based on peer-reviewed academic research. Every significant update or change undergoes a rigorous review process before being implemented. This approach aims to ensure robustness and security. Cardano was founded by a group of experts and professionals in the fields of blockchain, cryptography, and systems engineering. Some of the key figures associated with Cardano are Charles Hoskinson, one of the co-founders of Ethereum. Later, he co-founded IOHK, Input-Output Hong Kong, in 2015. The company responsible for the development of Cardano. As the CEO of IOHK, Charles is one of the most public faces of Cardano and frequently communicates updates and visions about the project. Jeremy Wood, another co-founder of IOHK. Like Charles, Jeremy also had a history with Ethereum, where he worked in operations and strategy. Professor Agelos Gias, chief scientist at IOHK. He is the designer of the Ouroboros protocol, the innovative proof-of-stake consensus algorithm used by Cardano. He's also a professor at the University of Edinburgh and has a strong background in cryptography and computer security. Duncan Coutts, Director of Engineering at IOHK. He plays a significant role in the technical development and implementation of Cardano. Philip Wadler, Senior Research Fellow at IOHK. A prominent figure in the field of programming languages. He has made contributions to the development of Haskell, the functional programming language used in Cardano's development. Manuel Chakravarti, language architect at IOHK. He's been involved in the development of Plutus, Cardano smart contract platform. Apart from these individuals, Cardano's development and growth have been shaped by many researchers, developers, and professionals working both within IOHK and in collaboration with other institutions. Additionally, the Cardano project is overseen not only by IOHK but also by the Cardano Foundation and EMURGO. The Cardano Foundation is responsible for supervising the development of Cardano and its ecosystem, while EMURGO drives commercial adoption and helps businesses integrate with the Cardano blockchain. Each of these entities has its own team of professionals contributing to different aspects of the project. Overall, Cardano's vision is to deliver a more secure, transparent, and sustainable platform for the transfer of value and execution of smart contracts, aiming to address some of the challenges faced by earlier blockchain platforms. Now you know what Cardano is. Please like the video if you did. Please subscribe for more. Please leave any comments or questions below. Thank you.